I'll guide you through the process of changing your video background using the Instagram Edit's AI-powered Cutout engine on the desktop version without needing a green screen or expensive masking software. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. The new Instagram Edit's AI-powered Cutout engine on the desktop version provides much cleaner edges than the mobile app, but you must follow a specific layering sequence to ensure your subject and background blend seamlessly. Here's how. Open the Instagram Edits app on your PC and start a new project by importing the image or video you want to use as your new background first. Ensure this background layer fills the entire 9:16 frame to establish the correct canvas size for your final export. Start by clicking the Overlay button in the bottom toolbar to import the footage of yourself or your subject that you wish to modify. Select the Overlay video and navigate to the Cutout tool, choosing the Auto Cutout option to let the AI engine instantly remove your original surroundings. After that, drag the edges of your isolated subject to resize and position yourself or your subject within the new environment, making sure your eye level matches the perspective of the background. Use the Adjust menu to slightly tweak the saturation and temperature of your subject layer so it matches the lighting of your new scene perfectly. Finally, tap the export icon at the top right and select 1080p resolution to maintain the highest visual quality for your social media upload. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.